Established in 1992, Walther Electric is a manufacturing facility located in Somerset, New Jersey. Walther produces high-quality cable assemblies for large volume or smaller custom projects. Our in-house design team will help you choose the right type of wire, cable, and connector for your application. Design and prototype. Walther Electric designs and builds power cords and cable assemblies from the most basic cable to a complex and challenging design. We manufacture rugged cable assemblies with heavy-duty rectangular connectors, IEC, NEMA, CS, Camlock, or connector of your choice for industrial power solutions. Wire marking and cutting. Each cable is carefully marked and precisely cut using a high-performance automated cutting machine. Wire stripping. Cables are stripped, cleaned, and conductors are cut to length. Crimping. We use a pneumatic crimping machine for high-quality, consistent crimping force and speed. Assembly. Electrical connectors are terminated on the wire ends. Mechanical inspection. Each cable assembly is inspected by our trained and certified operators during every step of our manufacturing process to ensure that it meets all specifications for the project. Testing. Our power cable assemblies are 100% tested and labeled for easy installation and accurate tracking. We test for continuity to ensure that the wiring is correct. Then we apply high voltage to test for consistent quality. Shipping. Cleaned, packed, and shipped to you. You'll find Walther's Cable Solutions hard at work in nearly every industry.